tell me that.
Cześć moi drodzy, słuchajcie, widzieliście, że wycinam dane elementy na kartce. Dlaczego? Ponieważ przygotowywuję się do nowego projektu i otrzymałem zdjęcie, normalnie zdjęcie, nie żaden plik. I po otrzymaniu danego zdjęcia, jeżeli chcemy go wydrukować w odpowiednim rozmiarze, który będzie miał rzeczywiście wyglądać, pojawiają się też problemy. A problem pojawia się mianowicie taki, że na danych literach po prostu powstają piksele. Czyli tak wygląda wydrukowane zdjęcie. Natomiast troszeczkę czasu poświęciłem i znalazłem odpowiednią czcionkę z tego projektu, zainstalowałem i moi drodzy, uzyskałem proste litery na tej samej czcionce. No i co? Ja teraz naklejam i wycinam poszczególne elementy i wycinam cały obraz, co już zobaczycie na materiale, na który Was serdecznie zapraszam.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say damn, I learned some lessons. And say damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't stop, don't stop.